5 days to go.
The moment of truth arrives, empowered by courage, I prepare to take flight. And in that moment, I found my fearless.
You're watching Ride Comparisons, and Hyperia is the 8th roller coaster at Thorpe Park. So what better way to count down the last 7 days than with the roller coasters that we already have. So 5 days left until Hyperia opens, guys. So let's go check out roller coaster of the day, Colossus.
The world's first 10 looping roller coaster, Colossus. It never leaves you. Thorpe Park.
Bring it on. 24th of May, Thorpe Park changes forever. So here we are at our coaster of the day, guys, Colossus. Now, unlike in the previous 2 videos, this coaster hasn't been rethemed or moved like the other ones. It opened in 2002 as the world's first 10 looping roller coaster, and it's remained that way pretty much ever since. Recently, with Thorpe Park's new Project Sparkle, they have given it a little bit of a paint job and a little bit of a touch up. I'll show you that in just a moment. But anyway, guys, this is Colossus, the power of 10, the world's first 10 looping roller coaster. If you look, guys, you can see the blue or green track. I'm not too sure on colourblind, I think it's green. They've pretty much painted the whole track now. There's still a few touch-ups to do. And if you look up here on the side, you can see obviously where they have painted it and refreshed it and where they haven't. There's still a lot to do, but they're doing it sort of off-season. Wow, I might even get a front row without even queuing. Gotta love a front row on Colossus. That was a lot of fun. Now I'm probably going to get a lot of hate here, but I would say that Colossus is one of the most rough roller coasters in the UK. It's quite uncomfortable. It's not one of my favourites at the park, and I do usually tend to avoid it. That is just because of one problem. It's not a rough ride. It's an uncomfortable ride, so I sort of class it as rough. But when you sit on the front of the carriages, the floor bends up, so you have to sit with your foot bent backwards, and for lanky people like me, it is absolutely horrible. So you always have to make sure you sit on the back row of each of the carriages. Unfortunately, the front row doesn't fall into that category, and the front row is the smoothest row of the roller coaster, so it is quite annoying. Either way though, I remember when it opened. It's a brilliant roller coaster. It's still got quite a lot of time at the park, as I say. It's not tame, it's not boring, and Thorpe Park can keep it for a while. I guess that's why they're refurbing it, giving it a little paint job. Anyway guys, that's Coaster of the Day. We got 5 days left now until Hyperia. If you are enjoying the content, don't forget hitting that subscribe button really does help us out, and I'll see you next time.